As an auto repair shop owner, think about how your customers search for your shop or the services you offer online. Chances are they're asking AI tools like ChatGPT or Google's new AI-powered search. Whether your customers are asking, "Why is my check engine light on?" or "Find an auto repair shop near me," AI is quickly becoming the first place people turn for fast local answers. So, what does that mean for your business? Your auto repair shop's online content needs to do more than rank high on search engines. It needs to be understood and used by AI, and that's where Geo is strong. So, what is Geo? Geo is a method of creating content that enables AI tools such as ChatGPT or Google's AI search to easily find, understand, and utilize it when answering your customers' questions. Instead of focusing on ranking in traditional search results like SEO, Geo is about writing clear, helpful answers to common questions, organizing your content in a simple, logical way, and making your website trustworthy and easy for AI to read. As more people turn to AI for quick answers, Geo helps your business appear in those AI-generated responses, keeping your shop visible and relevant in a rapidly changing digital world. So, how will Geo be used in the future? As more people rely on AI tools to quickly answer questions, Geo will become a significant part of digital marketing. So, what does the future hold? Businesses will need to start thinking differently about how they show up online. Instead of just trying to rank in search results, the goal will be to have content included in AI-generated answers. Content should be simple, straightforward, and easy for AI to comprehend. It should answer common questions directly and provide helpful, honest information. Features like FAQs and how-to guides will help AI better understand and utilize your content, making it easier for customers to find and trust your business. Websites will utilize structured data and clear formatting, which is crucial in helping AI accurately understand the content of each page. For a local auto repair shop, this means your content should directly address customer needs and be easily accessible for AI to utilize. In short, Geo is how your business stays visible and competitive in a world where AI is the new front door to the internet. How Geo and SEO work together? Well, Geo and SEO share a common goal, helping your auto repair shop get found online. But they take a different path to get there, and now, more than ever, it's important to use both. SEO focuses on optimizing your website to rank well in traditional search engines, such as Google. It prioritizes factors such as keyword usage, backlinks, metadata, and click-through rates. Good SEO helps drive traffic to your site by encouraging people to click on your listing in search results. It also emphasizes technical factors such as mobile friendliness, fast loading speeds, and a clear site structure, all of which are beneficial for SEO. Unlike SEO, which relies on keywords, Geo focuses on providing valuable information that AI tools can easily understand and utilize. It's not just about answering questions, but about providing context and trustworthy information. This is why content with a natural tone is so crucial in the Geo strategy. Think of it like this. SEO helps people find your website. Geo helps AI use your content in the answers it gives people. SEO tracks clicks. Geo tracks when AI pulls content from your site and includes it in its responses. Why does Geo matter to your auto repair shop? The way people search for local services is quickly changing. More customers are turning to AI tools to obtain quick, accurate answers, especially when they need fast local assistance with car problems. For instance, if someone asks, "Why is my car making a squealing noise?" the AI tool can pull information directly from your website and provide instant answers. So when someone asks for the brake repair near me, the AI tool can pull your optimized content to recommend your shop. When you optimize your website content for AI, your auto repair shop is more likely to be included in the answers AI tools provide to people and your customers. This means your business could appear before someone even clicks on a regular search result. That kind of visibility can build trust, attract more customers to your website, and ultimately lead to increased customer traffic in your repair shop. As digital marketing evolves, auto repair businesses need to stay ahead. Geo helps your shop stay relevant by ensuring your content is easily accessible for AI to find, understand, and utilize. Adapting your marketing strategy now can keep your shop competitive in a future where AI is shaping how people search for auto repair services. And the takeaway? Well, as long as your content answers the right questions, your business will see results. At Autoshop Solutions, we're committed to creating engaging, informative content that connects with your customers and builds trust. Geo doesn't replace SEO, it builds on it. The content itself may not be changing, but the way people find it is. That's why we're shifting the focus from getting found to how you get found. In today's AI-driven world, Geo is the key to keeping your shop visible, competitive, and at the front of the race when customers need you most. With Autoshop Solutions by your side, you're always one lap ahead. Would you like us to help you adapt and become geo-friendly? Let Autoshop Solutions update your website's content to work seamlessly with AI and cater to your customers. At the same time, more people are seeing your business online, helping your visibility grow steadily. View this blog in action or subscribe to our YouTube channel.